Okay, let's have a look at the task. You've got to find your longitude. You have a depth sounding of 20 meters, and you're on the southeast side of North Chilternton, where there are two buoys marking the south and the east passages. First of all, locate those two buoys and the 20-meter depth line. Then, using the pen tool up here, draw a line of transit between those two, or from those two buoys, over the 20-meter line. Find where they cross, which is about here, and we want the longitude, so we're going to take it down to the longitude scale on the map. Just make sure we know what the degrees are, 2 degrees and 20 minutes. So enter that into the chest.